What is going on, everybody? You are watching 5 in 50, where we give you 5 trending automotive topics in less than 50 seconds. My name is Austen.
And I'm Billy Ray.
And today we're talking about AXA Insurance's Tesla Crash and Explosion. So let's get to it.
AXA Insurance recently released a staged stunt in an attempt to prove that underbody damage to electric vehicles could end in a higher risk of a battery fire. If you haven't seen this yet, take a peek.
If that explosion looks fake to you, guess what? It is. AXA admitted after this demonstration that the Generation 1 Tesla Model S actually did not even have a battery pack in it to begin with, stating they removed it for crowd safety. But if the thing you were testing to prove a point wasn't even in the thing you were testing, then how is this even a test? We're so confused.
The explosion and flames were actually controlled pyrotechnics that were placed inside the Model S before its launch, and were meant to simulate a battery pack explosion. While it is true that they can explode, though not very common, EVs have a 0.03% chance of catching fire, compared to gas cars, which has a 1.05% chance of combusting.
The keen-eyed viewers of that video will notice that there are actually 2 Teslas. Because the Model S has no battery pack, aka its powertrain, it needs a cable tow rig to get it up to speed. The vehicle chosen to be that tow rig? An AXA Insurance branded Tesla Model X. Is anybody else seeing the irony in this?
Tesla has yet to respond officially, but what's interesting is they may actually have grounds to respond legally. A staged battery explosion of a Tesla that doesn't even have a battery pack in it is misleading overall and gives the perception that EVs are unsafe. We will be sure to update on that when we know more.
That's all for today. Leave your comments on this unique demonstration below and why you think AXA did this. Don't forget to smash that like button and follow us for more. Now go make it a great day.